Hi everyone, so it's Krisha. I just wanted to quickly come on here and just basically tell you all about my new skincare routine and just trying to share what's been working for my skin in terms of reducing the oiliness in my T-zones, reducing all the dots and the little tiny pimples and bumps in my face that I know is a common problem among everyone, especially in this hot, humid weather that we all live in. So basically, I'm gonna tell you a little secret that I found out. In the morning, whenever I get ready, the usual, just all the makeup and all skincare products and the foundation, the concealer, the eyeshadow, everything you can see on my face and more, sometimes depending on the mood. You know how we all feel. And then at the end of the day, after like an 8 to 10 hour, working and just kind of walking in the hot streets where all the dust basically kind of, sits on your face, you just want something that will remove all the gunk and remove all the different products you have in your face to make sure you get a good night's sleep and your skin is able to breathe. And it's not always easy to do that. It's always a 10-step routine. First you have to remove your eye makeup, then you have to remove your lip makeup, and then you have to all your blush and all the foundation. There's different layers to what we put on our faces that sometimes you probably end up using 3 or 4 makeup remover wipes or even cotton wools that you just douse in makeup remover. So even though the last couple of years I've been using and I've been loving different products from Garnier and this Sephora gentle eye makeup remover, which I use for my lips as well, they're really good. The only problem is at the end sometimes I just kind of feel that it's not as clean as I want it to be, or it takes a longer time. And just because you have to kind of make sure you get all to the nooks and crannies of your skin, and you just sometimes when I just touch and I feel it's just not as as clean as I'd like it to be, or I'll find there's still bits of foundation that's stuck on, or when you do another swipe, every time you do another swipe you think it's clean and it's gonna be, you find just bits of makeup still on it. So a friend of mine has very kindly recommended to me this new product that I've been using for a couple of days that I think you guys would like as well, or at least I'm sharing it with you just because I really like it. It's this new diamond face soap. It's a new product. It's been launched for a while now, I believe, but I haven't really tried it for a long time, just a couple of days. It has 100% natural ingredients, none of those crazy ingredients that you can't even pronounce or you don't know what it is, like probably some chemical induced product. This one, I can read them out to you. It's linseed powder, aloe vera, citrus fruits, olive oil, jojoba oil, cocoa nucifera oil, brown rice oil, deep sea minerals, green tea, and red tea extract. That's it. There's nothing else. There's no hidden ingredients. It takes 1 to 2 minutes as compared to like a 10 to 15 minute kind of routine of removing your makeup. Also, it says here that has a 7-day results proven. It says right there. Camera focus. Well, I guess it won't focus. But yes, it says right there, 7-day results proven. I've only been using this for about, I would say, less than a week, but I can definitely tell the difference. The oiliness and how clean it just feels after I wash it, and even after I wake up I just like touch my face and it's still really smooth, so I'm really happy about that. It comes in this packaging. It's really nice. It feels good, and then it comes with a care letter in 4 different languages, which everyone can understand. It says the diamond facial soap is made from natural ingredients and precious herbs, like the ones that I've mentioned just now. It helps boost your skin's immune system for better protection, which we all need, especially with this like crazy hot weather. It's specially formulated for skin improvement and fast results. Experience brighter skin, reduce pimple spots, and clean condition within 7 days. Continuous using will reduce pore size, bring better and smooth skin texture, and it may improve the color tone of your skin as well, which we all know is something that we always want. Like a poreless, porcelain looking skin, this is kind of even skin tone, that's all we want. So this is what it looks like. So this is my second box. The first one obviously I have in my toilet, and this is just for me to show you. And then what I love about it also is that it smells really nice, really clean. There's no like harsh chemical smells that I know a lot of chemical like makeup products and like cleansers will normally have. But this one, because it's all natural, it smells really good. Even within the plastic, you can smell it. So I'm just quickly open this for you. Yes, guys, I'm opening my second box just for you. Oops, sorry. Love the smell. So this is what it looks like. So basically what you do is you just wet your palm, rub it on, get the product on your hand, and then just kind of rub it on, gently massage it on your face, like as you do when you clean your face with a facial cleanser. Like 1 or 2 minutes, just make sure you get all the nooks and crannies and out of it, and then just wash it off gently, pat your skin dry, and then you can have a look. You'll feel the difference, you'll smell the difference, and it's just kind of, it's very soft and very clean feeling. There's no ickiness that's basically sometimes you feel at the end of the day. It makes you feel very refreshed as well, so it's a nice calming effect. So I'm gonna do you guys a favor. I'm gonna go to the washroom and just try this out for you, and I'll show you how good it is when it comes to removing all of this. So stay tuned, I will be right back. Hi everyone. Okay, so now we're in my toilet. I just wanted to basically very quickly show you how I use the soap and how you can do it too. So basically just grab the soap like this, just apply a bit of water on your hands, just rub it on. Make sure you get enough of basically the product on your hand, and then that's it. And then take your other hand, wet it a bit, and just rub them together and just do this all over your face. If you feel like you didn't get enough product, grab your soap again and just put it on. Just rub it together. Just try it all over your face as so. I really love just how you can see all the makeup that was on my face, except for my lipstick of course, it's completely gone. Right? So you can tell, haven't really been over a minute or two, but you can clearly tell like all the gum from my makeup is completely gone. All you have to do next is, why was I talking to you with my eyes closed? I don't know. But yeah, just rinse it away. Look, all of that makeup is completely gone, and it's pretty clean. And all you have to do next is grab a clean towel and just pat your face dry. And that's it. I can give you a closer look. It's all basically, I had foundation, blush, concealer, liquid highlighter. That was all on my face just now, but it's all gone. Eyeshadow, eyeliner, all gone in just 2 minutes. Well, I hope you liked it, and well, holler at me if you need more information, or basically just check the soap out and then feel the difference for yourself. Bye!